Hello my crafty friends, it's Arva. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a VR and a project share or shares for Paulette, who is Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. She is hosting a birthday challenge for her crafty BFF, who is what I say is one of the top supporters of this crafting community on YouTube and on Instagram, and that is Ebony, who is sharing more. If you're here, you know who Ebony is. Ebony is an incredible supporter of, I don't know that I've been on a page yet that I've not seen a comment or something that Ebony has left. She is just so supportive of other crafters, especially people who are just starting out. I just remember, and it just takes me back almost a year ago now when I started this channel, being so amazed and so touched at the support that Ebony sent my way. I would see posts on Instagram telling people to come to my channel, and I just can't tell you how much it meant. So I had already planned on sending Ebony something for her birthday, but then when Paulette put this video up, I said, oh, well, I want mine to be included with everybody else's. So I'm going to show you what I used to create things I did for Ebony, and I will leave a link to the video that Paulette posted. You still have a little time. You guys know I'm a slow crafter, so the deadline or the ship by date needs to be by May 13th, and Ebony's birthday is May 16th. So you still have a little time. It does not require everything that I've sent, so it's a very easy, simple thing to do. I hope that more people get involved. So again, I'm going to show you some of the things that I used. I picked up this Memento die from Hobby Lobby recently. I actually picked it up specifically for this for Ebony's birthday challenge. I recently picked up this Sizzix die. I've wanted it for a while, and they had it for a good price, so I picked this up on Amazon. Anything that I can find links for, guys, I will put in the description box. These triple bows here came in a set from Amazon a while back. This is a KSCRAFT, and on Amazon, ZF Party also sells this. And I did check with Hannah. They are friends, so you're not doing anything, wrong by purchasing from ZF Party. This is also a KSCRAFT or KLJUYP die, the balloon dog. This is a new KSCRAFT die, the detailed daisies. And this was one I just picked up in a recent sale. This is the Llama. I've had this one for a while. Most of these are all KSCRAFT, to be quite honest. I've had this one in my stash for a while, and it's the Cupcake. This is the shaker cake. And this is the Cupcake bag topper die. These are also KSCRAFT. These are two of the Rosettes that I used. And he's also either KSCRAFT or KLJUYP. Either way, I will leave links in the description box. And this is the paper collection that I used. So we were to create a card and a set of embellishments to go with the cards, because Ebony is doing a lot of birthday mail this year. So I used this paper pack because it was from Echo Park, and I felt like it would be really easy to get a hold of. And of course, you can go to Snack Click Supply and get the digitals. So I will come right back and show you what I made for Ebony. Okay, first I used the envelope die set from Sizzix to make a card for Ebony. And of course I have a message on the inside for her. But this is where I used that envelope die, and then I used a doily die on the back just to separate it from the paper, since I was using decorative paper here and here. So that is for her personally. And then this is the first card that I created. And because these cards have some dimension, I did make some box envelopes for her. And so the cards were supposed to be blank on the inside. So I did leave them blank. But here is the dog, the balloon dog die. And along with this one, I'm going to send these embellishments. So we have the two llamas. And the paper pad had a page that had presents on it. So I just fussy cut out some of the gifts and attached them to the llamas. And then I used Nuvo drops here to add a little more decoration to the llama. And then I cut the quote-unquote hair off. And I actually cut this twice from cardstock and then from a velour paper that I picked up from Amazon. So it made the llama feel furry. And then I used some alcohol markers to color the hair so that it would be a different color. And then the other die, I used this present die. Oh, I forgot to even bring those in. The present die and this purse die. So that is the first card with its 4 embellishments. And I don't remember that it was 4 embellishments that you had to create, but I always do things in sets of 4 for whatever reason. Can't tell you why. And so here is the cupcake bag topper die. It does come with the pieces to be able to create just the cupcake without the bag topper. And so this is where I used the bow die, and then I just put some clay pieces here to mimic sprinkles. And it is a shaker also. Another box envelope. And then I made 2 sets of cupcake rosettes to go along for those embellishments. And so I did 4 different styles of rosettes. I used some glitter cardstock from a pad, an old hot buy pad from Michaels. And these foil pieces actually came from Tonic Studio mural card. Okay. So the next card is from that Memento die, and it says make a wish. I love the little confetti pieces, and so the paper had the balloons in the back with the confetti pieces and stars, so I just felt like this one was perfect. I used some little resin bows with rhinestones to put at the bottom of the balloons. And then I made a set of 4 flowers to use, and since it's all from the same collection, she can intermingle these however she wants, but this is just how I'm going to package them up. And for the final one, it's where I used the cake die, and I did use some glossy accents over the strawberry icing here. It says eat cake. Again, another shaker, another box envelope, and then I used the large versions of the KSCRAFT bow die. And I was really quite surprised with the Michaels Michaels glitter card. I was able to find pretty much some cardstock that really went really well with it, where it didn't clash. So I just used that as the solid for the backing and used the glitter for the accents, and then used the pattern paper to for the main piece of the bow. So that is what I am sending in for Paulette's challenge for Ebony. Ebony, thank you so much for all of your encouragement, your kind words, just everything. I really can't say thank you enough or tell you how much I appreciate everything that you've done. And I really hope you have an incredible birthday. All right, guys, have a blessed day. Bye.